Hi, how are you? Welcome to my kitchen. Have you subscribed to my channel and clicked the bell icon for the latest updates? Today's recipe is a vegetarian sandwich made with a crispy cottage cheese patty. How does it taste? You'll have to find out. Let's get on with it. This is a 250 grams block of cottage cheese or paneer. I'm using hot dog buns or rolls to make the sandwiches, and so I'll cut the cottage cheese according to the size. So I'll just cut it in half. So that my cottage cheese patty fit right into the sandwich. That's perfect. Just slice up the rest of it. Take a plate, add in some Chaat Masala, Garam Masala, grated garlic, some grated ginger, black pepper powder, salt, little bit of water, and make a paste out of it. We'll add in more water if required. Just mix up everything, and this is going to be our marinade for the paneer. Add in some more water. Coat the paneer pieces and leave them aside for at least half an hour. Keep it in the fridge to marinate. All-purpose flour, water. Mix it to make a slurry. Keep it aside. Thinly slice some bell peppers. Slice an onion. Heat some oil in a pan. Add in the sliced bell peppers and onions. Toss it up. Add in some light soy sauce. You could add in stir fry sauce as well. Salt, pepper powder, mix it up, and that's done. Turn off the heat and let it cool down. I have some cornflakes here. I'll just crush it with my hands, and I'll use a combination of cornflakes and breadcrumbs. You could use a bowl to crush this. Add in some breadcrumbs. And I'll use this mixture to coat the cottage cheese pieces. Got the cheese out of the fridge. To make the patty, I have the cottage cheese, some all-purpose flour, the cornflakes breadcrumb mix, and the slurry. Just coat the cottage cheese piece with the flour. Dip it in the slurry. Drain the excess and put it in the cornflakes breadcrumb mix. Coat it with the cornflakes and breadcrumbs. Make sure that all of it sticks to the cottage cheese very well. One done. Keep it aside. Get on with the rest. So flour, slurry, cornflakes. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. Once they are all done, I'll just put them in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. Deep fry the paneer patty till they are nice and crispy. Once they become nice and crunchy and golden, take them out and drain on absorbent paper. Fry the rest. To make the sandwich, we need bread, washed and cleaned lettuce leaves, super crunchy cottage cheese patty, and the stir-fried bell peppers and onion. I'll cut the bun into half and slice it in half lengthwise. Mayonnaise. Spread it evenly on both the halves and be generous with it. Some mustard. Sweet chili sauce. Crunchy lettuce leaves. Bit of the onion pepper. This really gives it a very sweet taste. And finally, the patty. Serve the sandwich with some chips or fries on the side. What more could one ask for?